Elijah, start sniping. I will. Oh, Gabe, you're out. Ah. Sarge, you're out. I'm getting most of our points here, Lige. I think I'm almost out of ammo. Oh! Okay, it's still you. It's still you. It's just at the end. Elijah. Sojo, you're already out.
I got it on the head.
Okay, so you guys got 1 point, and me and Elijah got 2 points. Go. Didn't. Work on Carlo. What? Fine. Round 2. Ready? Begin! Elijah, really? That is not camouflage. I'm not even moving. No pauses. Get Elijah, look out! I gotcha. No, one in the bushes, guys. Stay away from there. I lost a couple bullets in there. I missed. Are you kidding me? That was so close. Are you kidding me? I saw that. I hit you. Are you kidding me? Did you see all those bullets? I am near empty, guys. 3 bullets left. You're hit. You're out. What? I'm almost empty. How many bullets do you have in there? Get rid of Elijah. Serge, you were supposed to run and hide. Serge, you're out. You have to sit. Oh, come on. What was that? Yeah, I saw that. Carlo, you're already out. Round 3. Let's go. This way, lads. Let's go this way. Come on, this way. This way. Serge is already shooting. Elijah, I have to cover you. You're a 1-shot. Oh, poop. Oh, poop. Come on. Sorry, guys, if this is really bad filming. Ha! I'm getting it. You're hit. Elijah, get him again. Ah! You almost hit me. Ah, sorry, you're out. running in circles while bullets are being flown over here. There's two. I got him. I got him. Ha! Lol. Game! I hit your leg!
Yeah, we did. Good.
Ha! You're out, Serge. Wait, I thought.
I hit you like my only time.
No, no, you didn't. I saw it graze under my leg.
Gabe, you're dead.
You're out.
I got you. Gabe! Serge, watch out! All right, Serge, get ready. Gabe, I'm gonna do a suicide run. No, you didn't! Serge! Get him! Serge, get the gun! Not the gun. Yeah! 4 points! They have 13 points. We have 4.
I'm so close! Yes, I got you! Serge, you're out! Are you kidding me? No! I'm almost out of ammo! Okay, help me! Okay, so this is round 5.
No, round 6!
What? I'm so confused now.
Round 6.
I have to really keep up. Sorry if this is a bit shaky, but I know GoPro, they don't make it too shaky. Unless you're one rod, one reel. By the way, One Rod, One Reel is a fishing channel.
Do headshots count?
Yeah, headshots count. Move, move. I got her, I got her! Are you kidding me? It's making the farting noise again! My gun's jammed! Elijah, cover me! Ah, I gotta suck this out. It's not coming out! There we go. Okay, I got it! Elijah, come on, let's go! Oh, poop! Ah, I missed your head! Oh, hey, Dad. You're out, Gabe! No, you didn't! I got you! I hit you, Gabe! I hit you! I didn't feel anything! You're out, Dad! I hit your leg!
pistol's hurting.
I don't have any more ammo.
Serge, go! Yeah. Yeah! Slides, we already got you.
I'm already out.
All right, so now it's 8 to 17.
Go, go, get bullets, Lige! Get him! One arm's going to the forest to get her. I get this, guys. Whoa, I almost hit the tree. Ah, I'm out. Elijah, use my cartridge. Here, buddy. Elijah, look out! Elijah, cartridge. More ammo.
Got you, Allie.
Give me it. Go. Hurry up. Okay, this. I think this. Wait, correct the bullet. Take it out. Go. Elijah! You keep hitting the tree.
I got you.
No, no, we're out. Yes, I did. Gabe, you're out. Oh, come on. Can I keep playing though? Shoot, this gun's. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Just fixing my gun here. Wow, my camera's hot. Okay, go. It's not even in. Okay. I gotta go, guys. My battery's really low. Okay, see you guys in a second.